Then the next vulnerability is security misconfiguration. So what is security misconfiguration? So let us first start with the example here. Like sorry, Amazon like platforms storing sensitive customer data may accidentally expose a test environment with default admin credentials accessible online. So what some like the developers have created the admin credentials, so default admin credentials, so they have not created, it will be default, so they have used in the test environment, so they didn't check it properly and they have also deployed the same thing on the production environment. So it is known as a security misconfiguration. Inadequate configuration or default settings of applications, servers, or database, exposing them to vulnerability. So these are like a default settings of the applications or the servers, or inadequate configurations, some different configurations. So according to the testing phase or the deployment phase, development phase, or the you can say UAT phase. So there will be different phase. According to that, there will be configurations. For each environment, there will be different configurations. So we need to properly check and we need to properly validate that right configurations are given to the right environment. Okay, or we need to check whether default settings are enabled or disabled for this kind of for the production environment or not. So before going directly deploying into the production, so these are all known as security misconfiguration. So consequences of the security misconfiguration is like unauthorized access to sensitive data. Definitely, they can view the admin credentials, they can use that credentials, and they can also log in into the servers or database. So like that. So these are like unauthorized access, and they can view the other customer details like that. Application compromise or downtime, so they can may also make the application down, and increased risk of malware attacks. So these kind of default admin credentials are there, default settings are not disabled. So this could be provide a risk, this could be given a risk to the applications, and it makes the attackers to easily run the malwares on the applications. So these are some consequences, and let us see now the mitigations. Like use secure configurations. Okay, we need to use the secure configurations and disable unused features. So whatever the unused features are there, so that need to be disabled. Okay, then also regularly review and update configurations. So this also should be done at the back end. Okay, the application team, and also automate configuration management and enforce security policies. So we can, so we have multiple tools like Terraform, Ansible. So those are all configuration management tools. So basically Ansible is the configuration management tool, Ansible Chef. Okay, so by using these tools we can automate the process, so where we can eliminate the human errors, right? We can eliminate the human errors, so by using these tools, so this also makes the application more secure, the process more secure basically. Then restrict access to configuration files. So we need to restrict access to the configuration files, like we need that no other user or any other person or a hacker cannot be modify that configuration files according to their usage or their according to their gains. Okay, to have the sensitive data. So this is basically the security misconfiguration.